Hi there, 3DP UK here, printing a Easter Dragon on the Anycubic Kobra Max. We are now on for a 12.5 hours at 65%, so to be fair, I've slowed it down to about 95% and we're running at about 50 ms, so I didn't want to jeopardise the quality on this, so I thought it would be best just to slow it down. There's no rush. I haven't got any prints planned, so as you can see, quite a big print here. Not the biggest I've done so far, and I'm probably going to try to do a Mando helmet in the next few weeks, so it's probably going to be a 2 or 3 day. I just wanted to run it through with some of the settings I've got up. I'll put a link in the description with those settings under the PLA. That's on Cura. Yeah, so just quickly looking at this, just checking all the motors and the steppers. They're nice, they're running quite cool really, considering. However, as I was just sort of looking around, I've noticed, I don't know if you can see, it's a bit difficult to see, I'm going to zoom in. You see that screw there? It's come loose, which isn't ideal really. Checking out the actual location, I don't think it would have caused me any grief, certainly if I hadn't been around at this, but you can only imagine if that dropped off onto the plate, whether it got onto the wheels itself, that could potentially cause some more serious damage, probably even spoil the print, which wouldn't have been ideal 50% in, but I'm guessing, looking at it, it's actually holding the bracket that holds the stepper motors, so fortunately there's 3, so it wouldn't have dropped off, but it's, like I say, not ideal. So what I would suggest, that when you're purchasing any printer, not just the Kobra Max, that you do check all of the nuts and bolts. Remembering that they are factory installed, so you know, if they're churning out thousands of these, if not tens of thousands, it only takes someone not to have paid attention, didn't have enough sleep. These are all put on manually, so yeah, just a quick video really, just to say take care, definitely check it out. This is 3DP UK. Like and subscribe. I'm going to be putting up videos like this all the time with just little helps and hints and things that I've come across, but overall, nearly a week and a half in now of having the Kobra Max, I'm very happy with it. Definitely worth the money. Definitely need to tweak some of your cura settings just to get it right. I know when I printed a Dragon the other day, there was a lot of stringing. It could potentially be something to do with the filament itself, but overall looking like this one's okay, and this is the gold silk, so, and the brand, if anyone was interested, is Everyone, so it's Eron, sorry, I'll be saying it, it's not Everyone, that's not right. Eron, but yeah, that's 3DP UK. Like and subscribe.